while, but all I've been hearing since I arrived is right there on the pile. So the day I woke up and decided it's time to achieve, time to rhyme, time to rhyme.
Miss March, tell us what happened.
Sometimes when you dream, your dream is just a kiss. Sometimes when you work really hard, you don't know if you'll ever find success. So I grab a story to sell, and got ready to raise hell. Then I marched out the door and headed right for the wings volcano press.
Ah, Henry Dashwood. He is the man of taste.
Dashwood was a fiend. He sneered at my distress. Tossed my story behind the staff, but I was determined I would progress. I said, sir, I'll wait while you read. But alas, he disagreed. So I jumped on a chair and read it right there on the wings volcano press. What? Keep away from me, you wretch!
What do you keep away? You're beauty drunk!
No, that's me.
Ah, yes, it's from the horror. Blood.
That's the one. I took the words what you said, and I embellished. I made it better.
I got to have you.
I can fly you.
I will tame you.
Let me fly you. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Rodrigo appears in magnificent splendor.
Unpack up, prisoners. Who are you? I am your destiny, your determined lord. I come to avenge your crimes of 10 years ago. Run to the forest, run.
I can't. The forest is dangerous. My sister went in there and never returned.
You must risk it. You must take the dark path. Your fate awaits you there.
She will never escape you.
Hurry.
Thunder!
Go now.
That's what it was, aghast. But I could not care less. The words I spoke ignited the air. The light approached my lips. That's when Dashwood started to shout. And I thought he'd call me out. But then I disappeared, and the forest appeared at the window of the press. The forest stopped and stared at me. Clarissa, anxious, trembling, fearful of what I was going through. She comes to the front room and stops. Which way do I go? A hag. Without these palms, will I be? I can't. I've got to. Please show me where to go. There. This Paris. She avoids swamps. She loses her footing. Her shoes tumble off. The sleeve of her dress gets caught in a twisted limb. She comes to wild rapids and can go no further. How do I get across? A troll.
If you want to cross, you must pay me. I'm the only boat that can get you there alive. I see you wear a necklace that holds a pretty jewel. The price to get across is what you're wearing round your neck. Oh, how its glitter makes me drool.
I have nothing left but this. My prospects are so bleak.
You'll never know what wisdom
tired old knights of assistance?
There's nothing left to give.
Give me your time.
My fate awaits me.
Can you not care for me? It's been years since I felt the touch of another's hand.
Then take mine. Take my shard, rather as it is.
Your journey has now been completed. My sword is now yours. It will protect you against your enemies. Now return to the moors. Your fate is in your hands.
And Clarissa raced from the forest, raced to the moors where she called, I have returned, Braxton. I will free the moors of your tyranny. Fight me!
I knew you'd come back. They always do.
Clarissa select! She carries! She backs up Braxton and infinite supreme! She beats upon the craggy rock, her sword slashing and slashing! Never has she been more determined! She is on fire! Pity she hadn't taken dueling lessons. Out of nowhere, pushed appear, the long forgotten Rodrigo.
This is your end, villain! I've waited a lifetime to destroy you!
Who are you?
I am your worst nightmare, Braxton!
I am your sister! And then he got on his knees, crying, sell this to me, please.
Miss March.
Then he ordered 4 more